Yeah, AQ was good.
Right here we got a beautiful 63 Chevy Vert. It's bad. Got the 18-inch wheels on it, custom paint. Really beautiful vehicle. Dropped and slammed, as you can see. Cali, Texas style. Look inside of there. Custom interior done very nicely. Fiberglass. Beautiful vehicle. Great job on this vehicle. One of my favorites I've seen. Everything's done pretty classy. Wow, look at that trunk. Got the speakers down in the bottom, so you still got space in there and everything. This is nice. Another beauty at SEMA. Look at the lip on that back wheel. I'm sure that's a 20. This is a nice looking vehicle all around. It's your boy KB. DubsTires.com, Dubs Tires TV.
What's good? Where you been? Where the money at, baby? That's where I've been. I ride by on the